Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am John J. Johnston reporting on another case of how birds are not real.
No! Stop!
Whoa, wait a minute. Stop this. Who are you? Why do you look like me? Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. There is a real imposter with my face claiming to be me. I don't know how to explain it, ladies and gentlemen, but this is a government deepfake. Deepfakes, do you hear yourself?
John, you are gonna get ruined if you post this video. Birds are real. I proved it. They are real. All of this is a sham. You're preaching about lies. That's it. I've had enough of your act. Let's get him. He's done. You're done, okay? You're done. Get him out of here.
Get this man out of here.
No, wait. You don't understand. You don't understand, okay?
Hey, okay. All right. What you gonna do? You gonna make me leave? You gonna make me leave? Okay. I'll get out. Jeez, man.
I warned you, John.
Get out of here. You're lost.
Oh, no. No! I knew it! They're not real! Birds aren't real!
No, it's not what it looks like. Look, okay, so this is for cancer research. This is our bird named Steve. He's a test subject.
Steve Sleeve! Forget the BS, whatever your name is!
Calm down. Hey, I have my PhD in health science, man. We're helping. We're just trying to help, man.
Yeah.
No, this is wrong.
Who was that?
I don't know, man.
Never seen him in my life.